In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix nearby people not showing on Telegram. The people nearby feature depends on your phone's location services and your app settings. If it's not showing anyone, it usually comes down to permissions, a misconfigured option in Telegram, a temporary app glitch, or weak connectivity. Let's walk through the fixes clearly and get it working again. First, make sure Telegram has permission to access your location. On your phone, open settings, find your apps list, select Telegram, then go to permissions. Set location to allow while using app, and if you see precise location, turn that on as well so Telegram can get an accurate fix. With permissions set, open Telegram and go to contacts, then tap find people nearby. If you're prompted to grant access, accept it. This ensures Telegram can actually read your current location when you open that screen. Next, check Telegram's own privacy settings. In the app, go to settings, then privacy and security. Look for the option called Show Me Nearby or any location sharing switch related to people nearby and turn it on. This not only lets others see you when they use the feature, but it also helps refresh the list for you. While you're in settings, go to Data and Storage, then Storage Usage, and tap Clear Cache. Clearing cache removes temporary data that can sometimes cause the people nearby page to load incorrectly. After clearing the cache, restart the app to apply everything cleanly. If the list is still empty, try a few quick general fixes. Update Telegram from the Play Store or App Store to make sure you're on the latest version. Toggle your phone's location services off and then back on to reset the GPS connection. Confirm you have a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data signal because a weak connection can prevent the list from loading. If nothing changes, reinstalling Telegram can clear out deeper app glitches without affecting your Telegram account itself. Finally, remember that sometimes there really aren't many users nearby, especially in low-density areas or at certain times of day. Telegram servers or location services can also be temporarily down, which might make the list appear empty even when everything on your device is set up correctly. If that's the case, try again later or from a different spot. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Telegram tips and tutorials.